Hi guys, this is Mansi Gulati, your yoga expert. Today we are going to do 5 yoga poses to control depression. And I am going to share few tips which are really useful to control it. Let us start. First, close your eyes, relax yourself. Always try to sit straight. Inhale deeply, exhale. Let us chant Om, inhale. And release. Om is a beautiful mantra. Combine this 3-word properly, Oma, it brings more clarity, more positivity in our life. So this is the best way to control depression. First, start with sound meditation. Now, second, breathing exercises. Breathing exercises are really important to clear toxins from your body, and it is really good because it is connected with your mind and body. It helps to expand your age, it helps to control our body. So everything is controlled with your breathing. So let's do one kriya. This we call simple kriya. In this kriya, you are going to increase the speed of your breath while inhalation, exhalation. Right hand on your chest, left hand on your stomach, and do it properly with me. First, deep inhalation. Exhale. And release. Mind and body is very relaxed after this kriya. Now we are going to do Kapalbhati. In Kapalbhati, first deep inhalation, then exhale sharply, navel pulling back to the spine. This is really good for your digestive system also, and excellent to control depression. Let's do it. Place your hand like this. Inhale. We can feel sense of relaxation. Guys, let's do Anand Bal Asan, happy baby pose, a very good for relaxation. Let's do it. First, sit on your heels properly. Very slowly go down with exhalation. Let's do it one more time. but please make sure you're doing it with proper breathing. So keep your hand side and with exhalation go down. Now, very important thing which I would like to share it with you, my own experience. When we are depressed, when we are stressed, we get neck pain. So how we can release it? It's very simple. Hold here and do the neck rotation with proper breathing. Let's do it. Stretch it properly. Reverse. Yoga is discipline for life. We need to learn asanas. Asanas help to increase blood circulation. Movement is always important for the blood circulation. It is excellent for reducing toxins and bring more positivity and clarity in our life. With this, I request you follow diet also. Yogic diet. After 5, no oily food, no junk food, and drink lot of water. Water is very important. Your body 72% is water only. So every half an hour, half glass of water that help to clear toxins from your body. So guys, stay healthy with us. Always happy, beautiful. Thank you.